Good afternoon, I'm meteorologist Jen Daniel with the winter storm briefing. What's actually going on here is we have a large storm system moving its way towards Texas over the next day or so. A cold front will be pushing its way through tonight into tomorrow morning. Precip is actually expected to begin tomorrow afternoon into the evening hours. That'll start as a wintry mix. The heaviest part of the storm is expected Tuesday overnight into Wednesday midday. This is when we can see some of our heaviest snowfall bands setting up. By Wednesday afternoon, everything tapers off into light snow. As we are looking at some of those snow bands setting up, those totals could range anywhere from 1 to 2 inches across the northwest to as much as 6 or more inches across the southeast. You can see most of the South Plains, though, central South Plains, is in that 4 to 6 inch range. These can change into local areas as those bands do set up. So we have issued a winter storm watch. It begins noon Tuesday through 6 p.m. Wednesday. Please exercise caution on the roads as travel could become hazardous. Take it slow out there. We want to make sure that you check back often for updates as this storm does develop. Thank you.